Yo, today I got this goodie bag. Cause I got this bad love from local clothing brand dito sa Pinas. Today I got iMines and 1300 streetwear. Let's check it. First, I got this hoodie from Highlands. Let's check it. Ah, syempre. Solid. Hindi ng tela, syempre. Automatic na kayo magbaliw. Tela, quality. Yeah. And then, next, you know the jersey then. Got this jersey. Ah, pwede. Pwede. And, oh, elevate, elevate. The usual slogan ng High Minds. Up next, may din ako ng dalawang salamin. Check this first one. Oops. Solid ang quality ha. Parang foreign made. Kasi yan pa nakalagay elevate, elevate. Isa ka wala. Ay man. Isa. Ganda rin ng box. Different type ng box. Mas meron din siyang pouch. And then here na. Wow. Yung logo ng High Minds sa gilid. Tapos meron siyang elevate, elevate on the other side. Solid, another solid na shades. Solid talaga yung mga items ni High Minds. Ano? 1300. Look at that. You know where to find us. Solid. Gusto natin to. Wow. Ganda ng tela ng t-shirt. Makal. Fresco. And ang nakalagay is brick by brick, day by day. A win is a win, yo. Wow. Solid. Then also have some plain shirts galing din sa High Minds at 1300. Meron din akong ano dito, long sleeve from High Minds. I think it's the long sleeve. Yeah. Plain lang, plain na long sleeve pero solid pa pag sinuot na. Then I have plain shirt galing naman sa 1300. You know where to find us. Fresco yung kaya na talaga. Tapos malamig. Lamig. And I also have one more shirt for 1300. Yeah. Duck niya is like sapot na merong kamay. Ano katigil? Yeah. And all these stuff comes with stickers. Saka meron pang freebies yung 1300. Tayo kukunin ko. Yeah. Ay, mines, ang daming stickers. Ito yung galing sa 14 siguro anniversary. Hi, mines. Siyempre mga stickers. Dami binigyan stickers. Tapos, 1300, dami din. Plus, merong keychain. Solid. 1300 na keychain. All love for all the clothing line dito sa Pinas. Palakas ng palakas, yo. Nakakatuwa. Then again, it's your boy. I'm out.